Hi there, this is Jennifer with Brome Fields, and today I'm going to be going over, I don't know the name of it. I couldn't find it in any books. I know I've seen this pattern before on Pinterest, and but I haven't actually seen like a tutorial or how-to on it. So I'm just going to call it an elongated knit stitch rib. But it's really, really easy to do. It is a 2-row repeat. And I'm going to give you the, I'll give you how I do it first. Well, let's go over the yarn first. So the yarn I'm using is Knit Picks, and it is their line Color Mist, and the color is Vermilion, which I really like this. I like the two-tone of it. It is a Pima cotton yarn with 25% acrylic. It's 219 yards, and it is a worsted weight. So it recommends using size 6 to 9 needles, and I am using a size 6 to get this gauge. So not too loose, not too thick, or too tight. I haven't blocked it, so you can see where it does kind of curl on the edges a little bit. It could be lightly blocked. I wouldn't do it. I mean, it's a washcloth, so blocking isn't one of my favorite things. So to create the pattern, I have a border on here, which is 4 stitches. And my repeat is 5 stitches. So I have this elongated stitch and then 4 purl stitches. So I just repeat that over and over again. But I wanted the sides to match, so I added an extra stitch here so I could have the elongated stitch and then my border. So I have 4 plus 5 plus 1 for this, and plus my 4 for my border. So it's 14 stitches, and that's what my little swatch is going to be, that I will show you how I did it. That way you can see how it all comes together. It's super easy, like I said, 2-row repeat. So row 1 is the wrong side of your work, and I've knit the first 4 stitches, so it's a garter stitch border. And let's focus on this a little bit here. So we have a garter stitch border. I'll leave that there so you can see what we're doing here. So we have 4 stitches for the garter stitch, and then on the wrong side of the work, you're going to bring your yarn forward and you're going to slip that 1 stitch purlwise, and this is your elongated knit stitch. And then we're going to knit the next 4 stitches, which are purl stitches on the back side. We're going to bring that yarn in front, and we're going to slip this stitch, which is our elongated stitch, before and after our borders. And then I'm knitting these last 4 border stitches. So that was the wrong side of the work. So you see the elongated. I did a few rows so that you'd really see those come together. I did the first row and it just didn't look, wasn't a very good example. So row 2 is the right side of your work. And we're going to knit these first 4 stitches for the border. And then I'm going to knit, so this is our elongated stitch. And that starts our repeat, the knit 1, purl 4, and knit 1, purl 4 will be the repeat, so that you can have multiple rows. And this is the stitch that we slipped on the previous row. We're going to knit it, and then we're going to knit our 4 border stitches. So the knit 1, purl 4 is our repeat. Now you added the extra 1, so you have the elongated on either side of the border. So that is how you do we're going to call it elongated knit stitch rib. If you guys know the actual name of this pattern, leave me a comment below. That would be great. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's dishcloth pattern. Hope to see you guys again next time, and thank you so much for watching.